Now we are on the question number 3 of exercise 17.1. Write any 5 examples of empty set. So we write the examples are as under. Number first point, set A is equal to into bracket x such that x belong to the set of whole numbers and x is less than 0. We know that whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. No any number is less than 0 in the set of whole numbers, so it becomes an empty set. Number second point, A is equal to set of boys students in girls college. We know that there should be no any boy students admitted in girls college, so it become an empty set. Number third, set A is equal to into bracket x such that x belong to the set of natural numbers and 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. According to this statement, 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. If we try to solve it, 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. If we put the value of x as minus 1, we will find minus 2 plus 1 and our answer will become minus 1. And if we put the value of x as 0, so 2 into 0 will become 0 and plus 1 is equal to only 1. If we put the value of x as minus 2, 2 to the 4, minus 4 plus 1, so it will become minus 3. If we put the value of x as 2, 2 to the 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So there is no way to we find the answer as according to this statement 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. So this is become as an empty set. Now point number 4, set A is equal to into bracket x such that x belong to the set of real numbers and x square is equal to minus 1. So there is no any square number in negative form, so we write it as in an empty set. Number 5th, set A is equal to the set of female president of Pakistan. We know that since 1947 up to this time 2024, there has no any female president found in Pakistan, but only male presidents of Pakistan are present, so it became an empty seat. That's all.